today we're getting ready to go snowshoeing, guys. Look outside. That's too much snow. And Jane, are you sure you want to go out there? Because that's a lot of snow.
Well, it is a lot of snow, but I still think we should go out and enjoy the fun.
Okay. Well, guys, look at those trees. Look, there's a lot of snow on the trees.
And guys, come with us.
Yeah, come with us, guys. And
This is our car. It's snowing. Yeah, it's snowing. All the other cars are like not that snowed in. But look at that, guys. The cars can't even like go out because the snow. I'm like, look at these big snowstorms. This car's like so. It's like I might want to get my gloves, but look at that, guys. Look. Oh, guys. All these people. It's definitely raining. Poor plant. I hope you get some water soon.
Go, Gabby! Whoa! Come on, Jaden! Jaden is coming, watch out!
Wow, that was the best!
Yeah.
thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and give us a big thumbs up.